Medical marijuana has been legal in the Sunshine State for years. For many, this form of treatment has been successful, no matter the age.
Yeah, but doctors and researchers say a state-authorized pilot program here in West Palm Beach is actually showing some real promise. CBS 12's Amber Robb joining us tonight in West Palm Beach with how the program works. Amber?
Jim and Liz, when most people think about marijuana, they have this idea of someone being high and making questionable decisions. But it can actually be used to treat things like pain, anxiety, and insomnia. And MorseLife Health Care Center is working to treat people using the drug without getting them high.
I have a low pain in my lower back that's always giving me pain. I don't know what's going on with my neck, but it clicks and it hurts.
Up until recently, Carol Slater was treating her pain through cortisone shots until she contacted a local doctor who specializes in cannabis therapies.
So I called Dr. Bone and she came to see me and she gave me some CBD and we started off low, the lowest dose she had of this cream. And I felt a difference.
Her doctor, Melanie Bone, says patients like Carol are perfect for MorseLife Health Care System's pilot program.
In seniors, I think it's really good for arthritic, chronic, my body hurts, my knees hurt, I try to stand up, my back hurts. For that, I think cannabis is amazing.
Dr. Bone says she prescribes CBD or THC products like creams, drops, capsules, and gummies to her patients. And in Carol's case, she applies a CBD cream daily.
I thought it was white, but it's not. It's kind of flesh, and I put,
After 6 months of use, she says it makes a world of a difference.
I feel like I could get on with my life without it getting in the way.
MorseLife is the only senior living provider in the state authorized to offer cannabis-related therapies to clients. The health system CEO says they've been working on this for about 4 years now and hope their program becomes a model for other senior care organizations.
Innovation is part of the foundation of MorseLife. We are very interested in being partaking in the latest and greatest in senior care and then piloting it so that other senior organizations could take advantage and learn from us.
Dr. Bone says the goal is pain management, not to get seniors high.
Although occasionally somebody might get high unintentionally, they didn't follow the directions, that, for example, for the most part, the patients have relief of their symptoms without impairment, which is our goal.
And without the constant pain, Carol's able to focus on the things she loves to do.
I'm in a lot of card games. Today I'm playing bridge, tomorrow I'm playing canasta. I've been asked to play in a mahjong game. Sorry, I'm busy because I've got canasta a few times this week.
Dr. Bone says CBD and THC are great options to move away from narcotic medicine. But she says it's not for everyone. While it may work for some people, it may not work for others. But the only way they'll know is if they try.
Controversy continues to grow over the Florida Board of Education's new guidelines for teaching African American history in state's public school system. Dozens of local parents, community members, and religious leaders rallying together tonight, voicing their concerns about it at the Palm Beach County School District meeting. CBS 12's Lily Ortiz reports that the district had a lot to say as well, with many hoping it would ease some of those frustrations.
Black facts, not fiction. Black facts, not fiction.
Educators, parents, and activists held signs while chanting outside the Palm Beach County School Board headquarters Wednesday to protest Florida's new standards for teaching Black history, which has since sparked controversy for what it says about slavery.
We will not stand for it. We want our children and other people's children to know the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
A packed room at the first school board meeting since the new school year started, with many sharing different historical accounts of how African Americans contributed to this country.
There is a way to continue to teach history, and we expect the school district to support that and to give some support to teachers to have the resources and tools to do that as well.
Critics are particularly upset about one divisive learning objective teachers must follow, which is outlined in this year's 216-page social studies curriculum, which includes language stating that, quote, slaves developed skills which, in some instances, could be applied for their personal benefit.
And we feel that really is an editorializing, really, of how the slaves were skilled people. And there are some historic facts to counter that.
Last month, the governor defended the curriculum, arguing that it was carefully crafted by a 13-member work group put together by the Department of Education. Meantime, Superintendent Mike Burke said many of the group's concerns are valid, while reminding everyone that while these new guidelines haven't officially been adopted in local schools, the district will be careful when they are.
We have always valued teaching history accurately, and we want to maintain our integrity when it comes to that going forward.
Other leaders weighed in.
It's always been a priority to continue offering a robust, fact-filled, complete, and truthful education to every student in this district.
We got it. We know what we have to do, and we'll take it to Tallahassee, all the way across the country to let people know we will not be pushed around. We'll do the right things for our children.
Another thing the superintendent wanted to share tonight after the state recently approved the use of educational materials from an online media company viewed as conservative. He says the PragerU videos will not be used in the district.
Wildlife experts and ocean rescue officials are reacting to this viral video of two young men appearing to dig up and stomp on a sea turtle nest at one of our local beaches. These actions are considered a federal offense. CBS 12's Alexis Cruz spoke to the ocean rescue lieutenant who filmed that video. She joins us live with what officials are saying about this tonight. Alexis?
Liz, when we watched the video this morning, members of our newsroom were shocked at this behavior. However, when wildlife experts took a closer look at the video, they revealed today that the markers on the sea turtle nests were fake. And while there is some relief knowing that these men destroying sea turtle nests on our beach was a hoax, experts we spoke with say you might want to think twice before acting like that on our beaches.
It's upsetting.
Lieutenant Andrea Vanderplatz with Palm Beach County Ocean Rescue says she couldn't believe her eyes when she saw the two men in this video appearing to destroy a sea turtle nest at Gulfstream Park Monday.
He was like, is this a turtle nest? Is this a turtle nest? And that's when he started digging and stomping on the nest. So that's when I filmed him and called our rangers.
Vanderplatz says the two ran off before rangers arrived.
It's not a great example to set for the general public.
Upon further review, wildlife officials were able to confirm the sea turtle nest markers were a different color than the ones used at our beaches. Though no sea turtles were in danger, Justin Peralt with Loggerhead Marine Life Center says this behavior can still be a dangerous example.
We don't need this kind of behavior, so even though it was a prank, it's still wasted time of the law enforcement officers and things like that. So there were still some consequences to these actions, regardless of if they were doing anything illegal or not.
Sea turtles are an endangered species, and tampering with sea turtle nests is a federal offense.
The repercussions range from fines, minimum fines, all the way up to hundreds of thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars in fines and up to jail time.
Vanderplatz says she encourages beachgoers interested in experiencing our Florida wildlife to do so safely.
I'd like people to know that that behavior is out of the ordinary, and we all love our sea turtles and our sea life, and we think they're very important, and that they should come and enjoy them with us.
Now, staff we spoke with at Loggerhead Marine Life tell us that Lieutenant Vanderplatz did the right thing by gathering evidence, taking pictures and video when it's safe. So if you see someone disturbing sea turtle nests on our beaches, you can do the same as long as it's safe for you to do so. They also urge you to call Florida Fish and Wildlife.